Hey, my name's Juan. Today we're working on a 2010 Mercury Mariner. Customer complains about a bouncy ride. Vehicle's got about 115,000 miles. We recommend replacing your shocks at about 100,000 miles. To start the procedure, we have to remove the top bolt, which is under all the plastics. So first we have to remove the plastics. First we'll start by removing the plate. Just gotta pull firmly, clips holding it underneath. Next we'll have to move some of the carpet back. And this all peels back. This is where you access the bolt. To access the bolt, we're going to use a 15mm socket. And go ahead and remove this top bolt. Next step is to unbolt the shock from the bottom of the car, so we will raise it on the hoist now. To access this bolt right here, we're going to use a 24mm socket. You don't have to hold the back side. There's a tab that holds it for you. Undo that. Leave the bolt in there. Here you can see the difference between our new shock and our old shock. Our old shock was wore out, so it was very easy to push down. On our new shock, it's a lot harder to push down, which will create a nicer ride. The new shock has these tabs on it. All you have to do is stick it up and it'll kind of hold itself on up there. We have to line this shock up with this bolt. As you can see, it's too far down. So what we'll use is this pole jack to pick up the rear wheel. If you don't have access to a pole jack, you can set the weight of the vehicle on the tire to line the bolt up with the shock. Slowly pick it up. More. Now we're lined up. Don't forget your washer. And reinstall your nut with your 24mm socket. Now you can lower the vehicle down. Now that we've installed the bottom portion of the shock, we can move the plastic back one more time. Install our rubber with our nut on it. And go ahead and use that 15mm socket you used before to tighten it all down. Now we can reinstall our plastics. Be very careful. Every clip has a certain hole. They're very easy to break. We can reinstall our plate on the bottom.